My strawberry. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to get this cute pretty look without any foundation and struggle. So yeah, let's start with the video. Boy, good humor. They say I'm out of my mind, standing on the outside. So this is my bare face. It's currently really very dry, so today I'm gonna be using Nivea soft cream. It's an amazing moisturizer, you guys, perfectly made for combination skin. I take time to blend the product into my skin. It hydrates my skin and gives a healthy glow. Second step will be definitely a lip balm. Here I'm using Blue Heaven's lip balm. Then comes the concealer. Here I'm using Maybelline's Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20. Just applying it to the highest points of my face like T-zone area, Cupid's bow, smile lines. Also don't forget the eyelids. Then with the beauty blender, here I'm blending out the concealer. Take time to blend the concealer, don't rush. The more you blend, the more skin-like it looks. Then with the remaining product in the sponge, I'm gonna apply it to my entire face slightly to give it a soft coverage. For setting my face, I'm using my Holy Grail product from Maybelline, the Maybelline Super Fresh Compact. If you are a dry skin person, just apply it to the areas where you have applied concealer. But if you are an oily skin girl, then set your entire face like I'm doing here. My eyebrow routine is the same as always. I have a detailed video on that. I will provide the link in the description down below, so make sure you check that out. Now comes the eyeshadow. Today I'm gonna be using this beautiful palette. Look how gorgeous the colors look, right? I was confused at first, but then I went on with this dark peachy nude shade. Before that, I'm applying this warm brown gray shade on my crease and then going on with the nude shade on my entire lid. And that's it. That's all I'm gonna do for my eye look today. For mascara, I'm using again Maybelline's Hyper Curl Mascara. It's like my fifth one and I'm obsessed with this mascara. For blush, here I'm using a cream blush. I am a big fan of blush, you guys, so I apply it to almost my entire face, like my nose tip, Cupid's bow, chin, etc, etc, etc. For highlighter, I'm using Wet n Wild's Golden Petals. It's a lovely highlighter shade, you guys. Highlighter changes the entire look in a second. Look how glowy my skin looks. Isn't it gorgeous? Apply it to the highest points like bridge of your nose, Cupid's bow, chin area. Lastly, for lipstick, I'm using this gorgeous nude shade. It has a peach undertone. For hairs, today I'm not gonna do anything fancy like curls or straight because it's a good hair day and I'm happy with how it looks. Just gonna brush it a little bit and then I am done. Oh yeah, don't forget setting spray. It will melt everything and makes the makeup look completely skin-like. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys loved it. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe to my channel. It helps a lot and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!